Hi, good day. I want to talk about the towel trick technique for back and neck pain. It's a great technique and I know it will help you. But the first thing I want to do is I want to talk about our basic things that we need to do. Now the spine has three curves, and the reason why is so it can stabilize the vertebrae properly, so it can have proper balance from our head all the way down to our hips. When you look at the lower back, you have an inward lordotic curve called the lumbar lordosis. The mid-back is a thoracic kyphosis where the curve comes outwards. And you can see in the neck area, the curve goes inwards, called a cervical or neck lordosis. And the purpose of this is to equalize the weight of the body among the vertebrae and the discs, where you have equal distribution of weight bearing on those discs, so those discs do not wear out quickly. Although I realize that most of us sit for long periods of time, either in a couch or at a desk on the computer, but most of us are going to sit in some kind of a chair somewhere along the lines, going through school, studying, doing our work, being on the computer, on the desktop, whatever you're doing. But it's very important that that lower back curve, called the lumbar lordosis, has something that's stabilizing to fulfill that curve. So if it's a towel about 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches, you can fold it up, a blanket or anything else incompatible so we can fill that space up in the lower back. That's going to sustain that curve, allowing the curve in the lower back to be fulfilled, the mid back to work ideally the way it should, and the neck as well, so the shoulders and the ears as well as the hips can stay in proper alignment. But realize when this curve is not being fulfilled in the lower back, you get that hunching and that hunchback of that mid-back area. Eventually the shoulders round forward, the head goes forward. Remember, the head weighs about 12 pounds. For every inch it goes forward, it's an additional 10 pounds. 3 inches forward, it's 42 pounds of excess stress. Those muscles, ligaments, and upper back has to hold up. So it's very important that you use this towel. Put it behind the lower back if you don't have a lumbar pillow, but this towel technique trick will not only help your lower back, it will help sustain the mid-back, help keep proper alignment with the ears over the shoulders. It will help keep the head in proper alignment where it's not going all the way forward. But disc herniations, bulging discs, arthritis, osteoarthritis, and wear and tear that goes on if you don't have this proper stability. So use this technique. It'll be a great thing for you. I ask you to share it with your friends because you'll be doing them a big favor when it comes to their health as well. Make it a great day. I'm Dr. Mandell.